Hi families, hope everybody is happy and staying safe at home. So I was working with a chef, Jackie, you can say hi.
Hi guys.
And then before leaving to her house, I would like to prepare one of the most famous dishes in Spain, that is paella. And today Sunday is very common to do on Sundays with family, friends, blah blah blah. So I would like to show you how you can prepare healthy food, yummy and cheap. So you don't need to spend a lot of money to try to eat with all of the nutrients you need. So I was in my fridge and I found these things. Come here. We have here chicken, fried chicken in my fridge, some seafood. We have onion, peppers, for sure tomato with garlic, and then here we have the spices. We have saffron, we have paprika, we have a base of chicken and calamari, and for sure rice. So yeah, this is the finish, the paella for today, and I am going to put always a little bit parsley on it, mostly for decoration, but it's a beautiful homemade paella with things in the fridge, and then for sure lemon. And see you guys to the next dish, okay? Thank you so much, appreciate it. Okay, bye bye.